man named Mr. Lesā came from far away, and 79 with dreams to stay, with a wife and newborn, a promise held tight. 2 hours walk each day through morning light. Thank you for being the best grandpa ever, with faith and hope, your love forever. Built a home on Haddon Street, so true, a legacy of love from me to you. 4 children born, 9 grandkids bright. In humble strength you showed the light. Though sickness came and years grew long, your heart stayed brave, your spirit strong. The lessons taught, the path you paved, in Christ's own love our souls were saved. Through every storm we stand as one, because of our